In this question, it is given that the two vectors magnitude is equal. And what are the vectors? Vector v1 plus v2 and v1 minus v2. The magnitude of v1 plus v2 will be v1 square plus v2 square plus 2v1 v2 cos theta.
Yes, sir.
That will be equal to under root of v1 square plus v2 square minus
Minus 2v1.
cos theta. Okay, now you can take off the under root. Then you can get rid of v1 square and v2 square from both the sides. Now from this you will get 4 times v1 v2 cos theta as 0, which implies cos theta is 0, which implies theta is 90 degree. Okay, so this question is not from the dot product.
The diagonals will be equal, as
For rectangle also it
one
is,
diagonal would.
let's say this is the parallelogram for the rectangle. Okay, so your first vector is like this. Second vector is like this.
Sir, got it.
So what is the addition of the two vectors? This one, this is the diagonal.
Yes.
What is the subtraction? This one. The length of
Yes,
this
sir,
one is
got
equal
it.
to this one. That is only possible if the two vectors make an angle of 90 degrees. The two vectors are given in the rectangular component form. So your numerator will be minus 2 plus 6 minus 4 divided by some magnitude of A, some magnitude of B. We need not calculate the magnitudes in this case because this numerator is coming out to be 0. तो हमको इसका मैग्नीट्यूड और इसका मैग्नीट्यूड नहीं कैलकुलेट करना. Is that clear? ये 0 आ रहा है. That means cos theta is also 0. If cos theta is 0, that means angle should be 90 degree. If this vector P and this vector Q, they are mutually perpendicular, then their dot product should be 0. We know that. तो आपका डॉट प्रोडक्ट क्या आएगा? ए स्क्वायर माइनस 2a minus 3 is equal to 0. Now you have to just solve this quadratic and get the positive value on it. That will be your answer. ओके हाँ, आस्तिक शर्मा, आप बताओ बेटा कैसे करेंगे?
Yes, sir. Sir, here we are given that vector B is normal to vector A, which means that the angle between them is 90 degree.
Okay, normal means it is 90 degree.
Yes, sir.
And abnormal means it is parallel. I'm just joking, don't worry. Continue.
Okay, sir. Sir,
Okay.
therefore, our dot product between A and B would be equal to 0. So, sir, when we calculate it, the value should come I bar B sine theta minus sorry, sir, I cap B sine theta minus J cap B cos theta. Therefore, answer is C.
Okay. So let me explain you. There is one more way of attempting it. Okay, the way that he has explained is also perfectly right. But let us try to understand the significance of writing the vector in rectangular component format. Okay, that we have already seen. Suppose करो ये आपका एक वेक्टर है. So this is your vector A. उसका एक कंपोनेंट है A cos theta और ये कंपोनेंट है A sin theta. Is that clear? ठीक है, A cos theta and A sin theta, these are two components of it. और इसी को आपने ऐसे एक्सप्रेस किया हुआ in here, in the form of I cap j cap vectors and its addition. Now you want another vector which is normal to it. Okay. Now actually the question should be restated as the vector B which is normal to A and in the plane of xy, because there will be infinite number of possibility of vectors which will be perpendicular to this if you do not specify this condition. Can you appreciate that fact? Let me explain once again. So for that you need to have some basic idea about three-dimensional space. So let us say this is a vector A. Okay. And if I ask you which vector is perpendicular to it, this circle is basically up in a plane perpendicular to the axis. इसकी axis के along vector A lie करता है. Is it clear? So this is perpendicular to it. In fact, this is perpendicular to it. In fact, this is perpendicular to it. So all these vectors which are in the plane of this circle, they are perpendicular to the vector A, which is along the axis of circle. Yes or no? अगर इसी चीज को आप लोग यहाँ पे विजुलाइज करेंगे इस केस में, so again there will be infinite possibilities. One of the vector could be like this or the other vector could be like this. Is it clear? Both are mutually perpendicular to it. ये भी हो सकता है, ये भी हो सकता है. Both are correct options. Okay. So now let us simplify the situation. ठीक है, तो इसको आप लिख सकते हैं अभी.
Product, first of all, we find the dot product of A and B divided by the magnitude of A and B. So it will be 54 upon root 81 into root 81. So we get cos inverse of 2 by 3. So we can find sine.
Okay.
We can find
So
sine inverse.
what is the magnitude of this vector A?
It's
54.
81.
Let Anushka speak.
Root
Anushka, आप
81.
बोलो.
Sir,
Root 81.
Yes, sir.
Root 81.
Yes, sir.
तो ये 9 नहीं होता.
हाँ, sir.
Okay.
So
ठीक है. What is the magnitude of B?
root 81.
This is also root 81.
Yes, sir.
So will this be 9?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what is A dot B?
54.
If this is A and this is B.
It is 54.
54. Very good. So now you can write cos theta as A dot B upon AB. Okay, which is 54 divided by 9 into 9. Is this the way you were telling me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. तो इससे क्या आएगा? 54 by this thing.
2 by 3.
6 by 7 आएगा ना?
No, sir, it is 6 by 9.
Sir,
Sorry,
9
sorry.
into
6
9.
by 9, sir.
I wrote it wrong. This is actually 9. So 2 by 3.
Yes, sir. Then we can find sine inverse because in the option it is not given.
Yes. So from this you can find out sine theta. The sine theta will be 1 minus 4 by 9, which is root 5 by 3. Is that clear? So your theta will be equal to sine inverse of root of 5 by 3. मानव आप बोलो.
Yes, sir. So हमें यहाँ पे वर्क डन ढूंढना है, तो वो फॉर्मूला है वर्क डन की कि f डॉट